Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your theme on CoinMarketCap application. CoinMarketCap offers light mode and dark mode. Changing the theme can reduce eye strain, improve readability, and give the app a look that fits your style. So in order to change the theme on your CoinMarketCap application, first of all, launch open CoinMarketCap application on your device and make sure that you're logged in. Once you're in the home page, go ahead and tap on your profile avatar at the top right corner. Now from the expanded menu, click on Settings. Under Settings, look for the theme option and then switch between dark or light. If you choose dark, your screen will turn dark immediately. This is usually better for nighttime use. If you select light, the interface will change to classic white display. Or if you select system, the app will apply the change immediately as soon as you tap on the theme option. And there you go. That's how you can easily change your theme on CoinMarketCap application using your mobile device or your Android devices. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.